Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So something really interesting is happening right now in the Dow Jones, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. And it may be getting ready to have a bit more of a tip over. And I'll share that with you what I'm seeing right now on the short term. But before I start that guys, I am running a massive crazy flash sale. And in this 60-minute presentation, you'll learn how to create a fearless trading psychology that gives you the missing X factor and an unstoppable winning edge as a professional trader. You need this because it's going to help you get you on the right path. Okay, this is just for $1. I'm doing this just to help you get your mindset right and how to create that unstoppable winning edge. Very first link in the description. Click on that there right now. Now, what I'm going to get into this session here today is one thing I'm noticing real quick, guys, in this session here is that look at this here, right? So I'll start with the Nasdaq. Look at this line through here. So if just over the last 6 months, look, we have a support through here. We have all this support through here. Look at all the support through there, and look what's happening recently. If I bring up even the 3 month view, look what happened recently, right? Like, if I bring this up here, actually, you know what? Let me zoom. Look, support. We actually we broke below this support, didn't we? And maybe bring back to say the 6 month view so you can see it. Support. We had a lot of support here. We even bounced here. We actually broke down, came back up and hit this line. You can see where it stopped pretty much right on that there, right? So what's happening right now is like, man, like I'm not saying it's going to be, but right now we could be. If we start to turn over here, then this could be some sort of a short-term topping pattern. So because it was support all the way up for quite some time, so this little move to the upside, it may be very, very, very short-lived. Same for the Dow Jones. This is the Dow Jones. Look at the Dow Jones. Same thing, right? Support, all the support through here, all the support through here, all the support through here. Look at it. It broke below. Bit of a double top, and if I bring this say up to the 3 month view, look at this here, support, all the support, hit one, hit twice, broke down, now it rallied back up. We may be getting, this may be very, very short lived. And same for the S&P 500. Look at the same thing as well too, right? If I zoom this up here a bit more and I bring this up to where the closes are, right there. So as you can see, right, if I open it right up, support, all the support through there, all the support. Look at all the support through here in the last sort of 2 to 3 months. It broke it, didn't it? Broke it, and now look where we are. We're at the underlying side of this trend line. So what could be happening right now, guys, is that we may be getting this little rally right now. People saying, oh, the market went down, then the market went up. On the short term, we may be getting ready for a bit more of a turnover, on the short term there. So I wouldn't be too surprised if we initially saw next week, going in the next week, we had a little bit of a rollover from here. So that's what the market does, right? It gets you guessing, right? It's like, well, if the market's going to keep going up and so on and so forth, then then the market's going to keep going up. That's what it does, right? It's like, oh, well, it went down, it went up. Oh, it's going to keep going up. It gets people long, and then it starts to go back down again. So remember the big picture. Remember the big picture here, guys, is that we have been going up for quite some time, and we are due for some sort of a pullback anyway in this overall big bull market right now. Big bull market, we're due for a pullback. Same for the Dow Jones as well too, right? Or the Dow Jones has just been going sideways, and same for the Nasdaq as well, right? Look at that there, big bull market. So we're due for some sort of a pullback. We may be getting ready for just, again, not a bearish market, not a bearish market or a bearish trend or something like that. Just what are we looking for? Just something simple as looking at this here. And once again, if you bring this up through here, and as you can see, right, look at that through there. All the support through there, all the support. Look at all that support through here, Look at it even bounced off there. And then look at the here, you ran here, hit resistance. This is the Nasdaq right now. And now we're at the underlying side of that trend line. So we may be getting ready for a very, very, very short-lived, bounce here. And then we may be getting ready to have a bit more rollover. Again, we are right now at the market's very tight. It's very overextended. We're due for some sort of a pullback anyway, and then it may continue back up maybe to 29,000 on the Dow, and go from there. Okay. So, all right, guys, before you go, click on that very first link in the description. You need this, guys. You're going to absolutely love this. It goes for 60 minutes. You're going to absolutely love it. It's just for $1. It's to really help you get the mindset. You're going to absolutely love it. Okay, so click on the very first link in the description below right now and go get access to that, and I'll speak to you soon.